So we're gonna do angled lowlights, probably just 3 on each side and then maybe a couple in the back, a little bit lower, focusing on breaking up a lot of the solidity that you see here from the old global bleach. So we'll start in the front here. And you can see here, I don't really need to focus too much on the front area, so I'm okay to leave that out. To leave brightness around the face, I'm basically just gonna take a slice underneath with our formula. The reason that I like to slice underneath the round of the head is that your low light, the strength of it will be stronger because it's a slice and it's underneath. So you can afford to have a slice underneath versus something that's on top, which is gonna give you something a little bit more chunky. So very simple. Take your slice, put it in your foil. Fold that up. Lock the sides. So we're just gonna continue this, 2 more on this side, 3 on this side, a couple in the back, just to break up the solidness, and we'll check you back in a minute. All right, we are done with our foils. Development time for IGORA Vibrance is very simple, anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. 5 minutes if you're doing like a quick color refresh, maybe at the bowl, up to 20 minutes if you're doing more extensive work like foiling and making sure that your lowlights are really getting in there, or pulling or refreshing color on a client's mid-lengths and ends, you'd probably go the full 20. So that's basically the difference between the development times of 5 minutes all the way up to 20 minutes.